Hey guys, remember when I told you that it would be a little bit upsetting for Jalyn to come home and the house would be different? This is a continuation of her graduation vlog. This is the first night she came home, and this is her reaction to the new house. Stay tuned. Come on in.
Okay.
Look in the direction of that way. Look over there. You turn on the lights over there, please.
Goodness gracious. Wow. That's nice.
Okay. Alrighty. Close your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Close your eyes. And turn this way, but close your eyes. Okay, scoot back over that way, Isaiah. Hold on. Okay. Stand up. Alright, open your eyes.
No. Whose kitchen is this? Oh, wow. New kitchen, who this? This the chandelier for me.
Really?
Wow. You guys have outdone yourselves.
Thank you so much.
This is not like anything like the old one. I'm so glad the green sinks are gone.
You. For real.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Pebbles down
You
The what?
cute. The pebbles.
Oh.
No more slamming.
Soft clothes. But it looks good though.
Yeah, I mean, yes. You know,
They flows.
everything.
The colors flow.
Just got a few more things to do here.
Is this a little clothes thing? Why the cabinet look bigger?
Probably the
That's the
color.
way you organized it. Oh, I got my Oreos here for me. Nobody eat none.
Anyway. And D for TV.
Yes. Is the TV? Oh, I was wondering, what's the door?
Soft clothes.
Yes.
It's
I
just
see
a
I got
regular
new
door.
broom. Okay.
New broom. See the microwave up there?
Yeah, extra long.
And look at the
Ooh. Yeah, fancy.
There you poo.
I gotta show my friends so they can stop talking about us
What?
and our chefs.
Oh,
There's
the
a little
chef.
chef everywhere.
Yeah.
In the kitchen. He's like, "Dang, y'all really like chefs and apples." Where they at now? In the kitchen, who this?
Look in the drawer right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. And the plugs on the side with the USB charger. Okay.
Like the floor.
Yeah, I do. I do like the floor.
And the chairs.
Yeah, I seen.
So we can actually get 3 on this side. You know who seat this is.
Who sees that?
Can't get a castle. Give me no hassle. You see our little decor? Backsplash is popping.
Yeah, I like that one. Definitely like that one better than the other one.
So his has to be changed.
Good morning.
Goodness gracious.
You turn the other light on.
Wow. You guys have really done up the place.
You gotta take your shoes, slip your feet out your shoes.
Well, you had me run around the house.
Oh, the bathroom.
This is nice. You did a good job, man.
Thank you. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. We are on our way to church. I usher today, so I won't be filming, but it's our pastor's anniversary. It's going to be a good service, and we just got back last night from picking Miss Jalyn up because look who's driving. She said I don't have a chauffeur, but
Or chef.
huh?
Or chef.
Or chef. When she was coming home, I said, "Oh, I'm gonna have me a chauffeur and a chef."
No.
A whole chef.
No.
But anyway, if I can get any part of the service, I will, but I probably won't. Anyway, come along for our week. So the new tags from my mom's car came in. The title got transferred in my name, so I picked up the tags and the stickers for my mom's car, which is now my car, which is actually Isaiah's car, but it's going to be in my name till he gets older. And can you all say starving? I am starving. So I got some Five Guys. I haven't been to Five Guys in so long. They got the greasiest bags, I do remember. But I got a little bacon cheeseburger, which is just one patty. So I got the bacon cheeseburger and with fries. And yeah, I'm excited because I love a good burger. Y'all know I love a good burger, so I'm about to eat. And here it is. They just wrapped theirs in aluminum foil like a good old homemade hamburger. It has everything except mayo and mustard. So I got the bacon on there. Yum, yum, yum. And I got some of the home cut fries, or their hand cut fries, and a lemonade. So I'm about to chow down. Hey guys, so this is the first batch of cookies out of my new kitchen. Yay. And you interrupt my video.
Okay, you can continue.
And I'm using my mother's bowl. So it's a special batch. New kitchen, and using my mother's bowl from her house, from my childhood home. So here are the cookies. They came out very flat, but I know the reason why. My freezer is full and I was not able to put these in the freezer. And then also I used a different butter. So, but they're still going to taste really, really good. Yes, I ate off of that one. So close to 2 dozen fit in my cookie jar. It just doesn't look that big. I still think I want one a little bit bigger than this, but we'll see. I made 3 for Jalyn without chocolate chips, and she doesn't like chocolate chips. So
You want to go to the apple store?
I was going out.
So Ashley would say congratulations. We gotta give her a call.
Jalen's friend Ashley is graduating. She graduated today, rather, and they're going out to dinner this evening. Cute. All right. Oh, grab my stockings, I think.
Mother's Day dinner. BJ's. Look at her now. Walk, 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 walk. You're with a celebrity. Ooh.
Thank you.
It's Tracie's place for me.
Okay, thank you.
So, how you feel?
I feel great. It's Mother's Day.
That it is.
It's a rainy Mother's Day, but it's still Mother's Day nonetheless. We're about to have a good meal here at BJ's.
I know you're happy.
Yes, one of my favorite restaurants. So,
What are you gonna get to eat?
the pork chop.
Oh my goodness. Why am I not surprised?
That is the best pork chop. I cannot get away from it. I hope they have it today. I hope they don't have a limited menu. First day without my first Mother's Day without my mom. I feel okay right now, but she will surely be missed.
Isaiah, you have any special words you'd like to say to your mother on this Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day. I might get you your scooper.
What?
You said your scooper.
Oh, okay.
I heard you just got paid. Are you lying to the tube?
No. Thank you.
You didn't get paid last week? I'm putting your business out there? Oh, my bad.
Good morning, y'all. It's Monday morning, and Miss Jalyn has made pancakes and sausage, and I'm about to eat. I was joking with her that I'd have a chef when she came home, but I'm thankful because she can cook now. That's so sweet. So I am back in my kitchen, y'all. Back to cooking, and I am so happy, and the family is happy too. I made tilapia for my husband and Isaiah, and he wanted a little bit of macaroni and cheese, a little bit of rice, some asparagus, and he's drinking water today. And I am having an air fryer steak. I cannot wait to taste this. This is a new recipe. So I have some of the steak juice on my rice. I got a little bit of mac and cheese and asparagus with Parmesan cheese. And then Jalyn's also having a steak. She's having mac and cheese, asparagus. And Isaiah's having tilapia, macaroni and cheese, green beans, and carrots. He does not like asparagus. Hey guys, so I am out and about making returns, things that we didn't want for the house that I bought or didn't match or whatever. So I'm out eating some Culver's. Got a tomato under there somewhere, but I got a bacon double, some onion rings, and a good old lemonade. So I am at Menards making my last return. I've made several returns already, but this is one of the towel pieces we had taken home as a sample, and it is so pretty. It has all the colors that are in our granite in the kitchen, but this just would have been too much on the backsplash. It would have competed with the granite, so we're taking it back. And yeah, this is my last return, and then I'm on my way home. Ooh, y'all, I am learning how to do caulk. Hey guys, so it is Saturday and I'm baking in my kitchen for the first time, and I'm using my island and mixing on top of that. So I'm making 3 pound cakes today. So this is pound cake number 1 out of the oven. This is pound cake number 2. This is pound cake number 3. And they all look really, really good. And you guys, this is the cake that I made the recipe on, the video recipe for. It might have been about 3 months now that I put out the pound cake recipe. I'll try to link it at the end of this video. And I did put them all in the oven, as you see. I put them in all at the same time, about an hour and 32 minutes. And that's just my oven. I have an electric oven, but you have to, you know, kind of test your oven out. But yeah, put all three in at 325 degrees for an hour and 32 minutes. And they came out really good. I'm about to flip them out in a few minutes after they cool. Only let them cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, because if you go longer, they'll start sticking. And here's what they look like flipped out. This one came out a little crooked. So, but anyway, I know it tastes good. Because they were all made with the same recipe. These are sour cream pound cakes. And this one was made like in an angel food pan, the ones you just pull up. So it still has the bottom there and that ring. So I have to flip this one out. And then these two. And look at that. That one is just perfect. Just picture perfect. It is so pretty. But I better flip them back upside down so they can have that crunchy top.